Namaste, welcome to my channel Tarot by Anjalli. So this video is pick a pile video in which you have three choices 1, 2 and 3 or A, B, C. Choose one pile and then there is timestamp in this video. Go directly to your pile. Hi, so those who have chosen pile 1, the cards for them is Two of Cups, Two of Wands and Queen of Cups. So what is coming up next in your life? Clearly, very clearly, it is an indication that you have one new love coming in your life, or if you have already been in a relationship, the relationship is going to take another step, or you are going to climb another stair in your relationship journey. There is also Two of Wands, which indicates that there is partnership. It can be of any kind. It can be business partnership, it can be a partnership with any of your family members to do a task. So clearly there is an indication that in this partnership, if you work with this person, you are definitely going to succeed and make your name. You also have Queen of Cups here. Queen of Cups means either you are going to get very emotional, or a lady is going to enter your life who will bring you so much love, so much care and passion. Queen of Cups is a card which indicates that this queen is very caring, very nurturing. So it may be possible that you become very caring for someone, or it may be possible that a person is going to enter your life, which is a clear indication from the other two cards that a person is going to enter your life who will bring love and peace. So this is all about this group number 1. Let's go to group number 2. Hi, group number 2. So those who have chosen group number 2, these are your cards. Your cards are Seven of Pentacles, Six of Cups and the Magician. So this is more about business and finances coming your way. Unlike group number 1, which was about partnership and new love, this pile is more about a new business idea or new business project starting in your life. So the Magician card, it indicates that you already had so much in your mind to start and to invest in your new business idea, and finally you are going to start it now. So Magician means you already have the skills, you already know what to do, how to do, and you're just going to start it now. So Six of Cups card indicates that maybe an old friend will enter your life, an old friend or someone who was not in contact with you for a long time is going to enter your life, and you are going to start something with them, or simply they are going to enter your life. The third card is Seven of Pentacles. It indicates that whatever you will start will take long time to give results. It will take long time to give you the final outcome, which is the monetary gain, but you should stick to it because your idea is really good. Even if it takes long time, don't get disheartened and don't stop it in between, in the middle. Don't stop it in the middle. So these cards are clear indication that you will manifest your financial desires in coming months. And Magician card also indicates that you should always have faith in your own potential. You should not doubt your own ideas, and you should not doubt your own skill set. Okay, you will make money using your own skills. You will make money with hard work, and you will make money with someone's ideas who has just entered your life after a big break. So maybe this person will come to your life and give you some ideas, and you will start working on those ideas and you will get benefited from that. So group 2, this is a very positive card for finances, but there are also chances that your childhood friend or your old lover will come back to your life. There is also chance that they will try to contact you and you will find a new spark with them. You will find that, oh, this person has changed a lot, and you will like to continue your friendship with them. So this is all about pile number 2, group 2. Let's move on to group 3. Hello group 3. So those who have chosen group 3, what is coming up next in your life? For that I have 4 of Wands, I have the Chariot, and I have the Lord card, which is the Emperor card. In Rider-Waite deck, the Lord card is called the Emperor. So what is coming up next in your life? Definitely you are going to get engaged or you are going to get married. If you have not found a person till now to get married, you will find very soon. If you are already married, then this is a time that you will take another step in your relationship. Maybe you will extend your family, or maybe you will buy a new property, a new house, because 4 of Wands is a card of new property, new house, or you may shift from one place to another. The Chariot card indicates travel. It indicates victory. So if you have chosen this group, definitely you are going to travel in future and you are going to succeed in that endeavor. Wherever you will go after your travel, wherever you will shift your new house, you will succeed from there onwards. That place will be lucky for you. The Lord card indicates that either your father, your husband, or your boss, if you are a male person seeing this video, then your boss will help you in achieving your goals. Either your boss, husband, or any influential man. If not husband, if not boss, if not your father, then any influential man will help you to achieve things in your coming time. So because of their help, maybe they will give your reference to a place, and you will go there and you will get benefited from there. So clearly this group 3 indicates that success is there. Whatever you will do, you will achieve success, because the Chariot card indicates success. This card also indicates new vehicles. This card also indicates motherland. So you may also travel to your motherland. And this card also indicates mother, because the Chariot card is the 4th house of the birth chart. So this 4th house indicates mother. So there may be some changes with your relationship with your mother, maybe in a good way, or maybe your mother is going to travel and come to you. So all these things may be the possibility in future. So overall, this is a good pile, and this is all about it. Thank you.